Hi, it's Jason, Jason's Jungle. As you can see, it's a nice sunny day, and today I'm going to start harvesting my fir apples. So let's go and see what I've got. We can see in those buckets that the fir apples have virtually died off. One or two little green shoots, but that's it. So that's what I'm going to be harvesting today. I've got 7 buckets, see how many I get through, and I've went and forgot my scales, which means I'll have to weigh in total as I get home rather than bucket by bucket, but that's fine. We'll just divide it by 7. Okay, so let's get set up and start emptying these. So I've got the first bucket. I can't see anything on the surface, or 1 or 2 in here. So what I'll do is I'll keep these separate, and I'll use them for seed potatoes for next year, anything that's got green on them. So let's have a tip this over, let's see what we get. Doesn't look that much. Yeah, it's quite empty, this one. That is very disappointing. It's a seed potato. Really small, very few of them. So you can't see that they were cramped. And they've been getting water because I've been watering the trough underneath it, and they should have been wicking it up. Tiny, but every little helps. That seems to be all the way out of that bucket. One thing is the type of wicking material. Let's have a look. This one seems to be the felty type. I've got 2 types. One is sort of a grey felt, which doesn't suck up as much, doesn't seem to have as much capillary power as the one that's green on one side. So that's the grey one. Whether that hasn't sucked enough moisture up to get more potatoes, I don't know. I will see as I go through the rest of the buckets. Okay, this one was sat right next to it, and it has the other kind that has the green cover to it on the wick and stuff. So you can see there's a couple on the top. Oh, look at that. See, that bit's turned green. But look at this half compared to that half. Much better. Okay, I'll just show you the difference. That is the one with the dodgy capillary matting, and that's the one with the decent stuff. So yes, I think although it's been in the water, it hasn't been able to absorb as much water as it needed, so they haven't grown as much. Let's see if that holds true as I go through the rest of the buckets. Wicking material in. I mean, as I said, that wicking material is fine if you're pouring water on top of it, it'll hold quite a lot. But it just doesn't seem to be able to draw the water up from a lower level the same the way the green one was. So that's the score from this one. It's got the same wicking material as the first one, but it has produced a lot better. So maybe it was just a fluke, hopefully. You can see, if you look closely, there's scab on these ones. So it was dry. Now I'll go and get the next one. A few green ones on top. So this is the all out of buckets number 4 and 5. So now I've got buckets 6 and 7 to do. Might as well grab them and finish it off. This is bucket 6. Another green matten one. Nice, not as much scab as the grey one was. And time for the last one. So this is, I think this is grey, but it's got 2 strands of grey in it. So I've got some on the top. Of course they're green, so the next year's seed potatoes. 3 on the top. So this is the combined harvest for number 6 and number 7. Which thankfully I got that small harvest first, because that set the bar low for everything else. But I'm quite happy. I mean, if I pull this up, see there's enough tatties to last for a couple of days. I'll weigh these when I get home, and I will put the weight underneath here now so you can read how much I've got, and I'm happy with that.